Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. First up, the symptoms. You'll probably notice them right away. The most common one is a rough, shaky idle. Your car might feel like it's sputtering or about to stall when you're stopped at a light. Then, when you hit the gas, you'll feel a significant lack of power. The acceleration will be sluggish and hesitant, almost like the car is struggling to breathe. It's not just your imagination. The engine isn't running efficiently, and you might even see your check engine light pop on. These symptoms are classic signs that your VANOS system is having a bad day, specifically on the exhaust side. So, you've got the symptoms, you've got the code. What's the next step? Diagnosis. We need to confirm that the VANOS system is the culprit. The first thing a mechanic, or you, if you're a DI, should do is check the engine's oil level and condition. The VANOS system is hydraulic, meaning it uses oil pressure to work. If your oil is low, old, or sludgy, it can't operate correctly. This is the simplest check, so always start here. Assuming the oil is good, the next step is a more specific diagnosis. We need to test the oil pressure going to the VANOS unit itself to make sure it is getting enough pressure to function. This requires a special pressure gauge, but it's a crucial step to rule out a bigger problem, like a failing oil pump. After that, we need to check the actuator's movement directly. Using a diagnostic tool, you can command the VANOS solenoids to activate and watch for a response from the camshaft position sensors. If you command the exhaust to camshaft to adjust, and the sensor doesn't see it move, you've confirmed that the actuator is, in fact, stuck. Now for the best part, the fix. The good news is, you might not have to spend a fortune. More often than not, the 2A87 code is caused by dirty or clogged VANOS. These little guys are responsible for directing oil flow to the Over time, tiny particles and sludge in the oil can clog them up, preventing them from working properly. So, the first and most common fix is to remove and clean the VANOS solenoids. They're usually located on the front of the engine and are relatively easy to access. You can pull them out, clean them thoroughly with brake cleaner, and inspect the small filter screens on them for debris. Many people also recommend swapping the intake and exhaust solenoids. Since they're identical parts, you can swap their positions. Then, clear the codes and drive the car. If the fault code changes to an intercalated code, you've confirmed that one of the solenoids is bad and needs to be replaced. If cleaning and swapping don't solve the problem, or if one of the solenoids is clearly faulty, the next step is to replace it. Thankfully, they aren't terribly expensive parts, and replacing them is a straightforward job. Just be sure to get a quality replacement part. After installing the new solenoid, or putting your cleaned ones back in, clear the fault codes and take the car for a test drive. In the vast majority of cases, this will clear up the 2A87 code, and your BMW will be back to its smooth, powerful self. Your idle will smooth out, and that crisp acceleration you love will return. So there you have it. A complete guide to tackling the BMW 2A87 fault code. Start with the simple stuff like oil, move on to cleaning the solenoids, and only replace them if necessary. I hope this helps you get your car back on the road and running perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.